Greens one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Let's get a hot cup of brew going on my 502 stove. Remove my chainsaw. Don't need it immediately. I just sold a Hidden Woodsman bush pot bag, so I just keep this stove in. Just make sure it has enough fluid. It probably does. I just making sure. Pump it up. Must have enough pressure in it already. And just a few turns. Open the valve. Dom suggested not using a ferro rod, because he said you can actually come on. Okay, that's off. That should be on. Why isn't it lighting? That's why I forgot to turn it when I was pumping it. There's a fuel all underneath it. There we go. Come on. Oh, come on. Matches. Wow. It was time to throw my matches out and get better ones. Okay. Yeah, I hear it hissing and popping. What the hell? I have no idea what's going on with this stove. It's got fuel. I turned this a couple times prior. I pumped it up, turn it to open it. And turn it right to close. I open up the valve. I don't know if you can hear that. Open it more. It's just not lighting. It's got pressure. I don't know. So I'll just use fire to make my hot brew. Cap's on tight. I don't know. Guess I'll do my go a little stronger this time. I forgot where I put those disposable tea bags. I already had the coffee in it, but I couldn't find it. So, and I didn't want to spend all day looking for it. Now that I think about it a little bit, I think I know where I put them. I just forgot where I put them. I forgot at the time where I put them. So, I'll just do some nice pour over coffee. Black Rifle coffee. I've had that bag for like a long time. Maybe I should get a new bag, new fresh bag, because I don't keep it in the freezer or anything. And I rarely drink coffee, so. Pour over coffee here. Nice. Let that drain a minute. Sweet. Should be enough time. I'll set it on the. I'm actually cooking lunch as well, so I'm gonna just set this on the Come on. Let go. There we go. Get a little sweetener. It's clumped up on me. This is just coconut. What was it? Coconut sugar. I think there's another name. It's just escaping me at the moment. I'm going to be adding a package of this sugar-free hot chocolate. So I had just a little sweetener for the coffee, but then I had a little bit for the Swiss Miss as well. Normally I get the 3-in-1 coffees, but decided to do the pour over this time. Sweet. Cheers. Oh yeah. Man, hot chocolate and coffee is the way to go, I think. You don't really need to bring a whole lot of stuff out to do it either. I always got my trusty green mug. Had one of my viewers, Mark, sent this to me. Thank you, brother. That sent it to me years ago. I use it all the time. Even though I have a blue enameled one too, I always keep grabbing my green one. My trusty go-to coffee cup. I had someone ask me why I don't just drink out of the canteen. Well, because I'm actually cooking my lunch right now in the canteen. Well, I get to sit here and enjoy this. Well, I get to sit and watch stuff, enjoy my fire. It also gives me a chance to work on other videos if I should so choose to get up and do that. But yeah, and for the negligible little bit of weight, what, an ounce, I think. I don't mind the extra ounce to have a dedicated coffee or dedicated drinking vessel. I call it a comfort item, if you will, but I will gladly carry it every time. I think I pretty much do. I mean, I have the Stanley green cups too, but I was kind of going back to this. Fantastic. It's really hitting the spot today too, because it's a little chilly out. Might be starting to warm up now that the sun is starting to get up higher, peeking through the trees. So anyway, I don't know what's up with the stove. Maybe I should have brought Trangia. I just gotta light it, but damn, a little disappointed. But what are you gonna do? I'm sure someone in the comments will give me a pointer. Oh, you should have done this and this. I'm like, oh, maybe I've forgotten that. Anyway, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to check the end card. We'll have some links and whatnot. Yeah, so cheers.